Okay, just to show you it's not a fluke, it's still pulling in some power out in the rain. Now, let's see. Today we are reviewing this 100-watt solar panel. Okay, so this is the solar panel. It has a nice little kickstand to keep up, which is pretty cool. Open up. Okay, so let's see what options that they provide us with. All right. We see we have multiple different ways of charging. So this is brilliant. It has solar panel connector ends, and you just connect these ends. And what's really nice is you have multiple different charging options. So you can use this cable. You can use this cable, which is what we're going to use, or you can use this cable. We just plug this in to our battery system. Now this panel comes folded and you can just lay it out. Now the best solar panel in the world, I mean the all-time best panels, they can actually charge in the rain. It's currently raining. Actually charge, or just produce a little bit of watts even in cloudy, rainy weather. The answer is yes. It's actually inputting current. Again, it's not going to show. It's probably so small that it's not going to show up on our watt system, but it is actually pulling in power. As you see, if we pull this out, it stops spinning. We put it back in, it starts spinning. Let's go get another power bank that actually shows the micro and see if that works with that one as well. Let's turn this off. Let's see how much watts this is pulling in, because this one can read it better. 4 watts, 5 watts, 4 watts, 5. So it is charging in the rain. So not only is it charging in the rain, but it's actually pulling 5 watts. That's pretty incredible. Absolutely incredible. Now, with only 5 watts for this power system, it would take 31 hours to charge this power bank. But still, this just goes to show you, it doesn't even have to be sunny. Look at that. Almost up to 6 watts. It doesn't have to be sunny to charge, to work. So that means this panel is phenomenal. This is a good panel system.